All right, everybody, we did a thing. We got a Sprinter van. Woohoo! This is a 2019 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 2500. It's on a 170-inch wheelbase. We are so incredibly excited for the adventures that we're going to have in this van.
We got a van today, a Sprinter van, and I will show you the inside of it. So this is the inside. It has 5 seats, 3 right here, 2 in the front, obviously. There we have a screen where you can play all your songs and stuff. It is about 2 inches high. And then, just to let you guys know, so you're not surprised if you get the same one, there's no air conditioning in the back. And we'll put some beds back here and stuff. It's not done yet, but yeah, that's basically it.
What are you most excited to do with it? Like, is there any places you want to go?
Maybe like Lake Jocassee, Oregon or something.
Oh, okay. All the way across the country?
Yeah, it's a van.
I have to say, maybe South Dakota. So the Badlands there, it made you feel like you're like in space or something. It was like
It was like something out of like a Star Wars movie, right?
Yeah, it was really cool to see it there.
For me, this is really exciting. I mean, we've been talking about possibly doing something like this for at least a few years now, and the fact that we've got the van in the driveway is just bananas to me. And I'm really pumped. I'm really excited about all the possibilities of all the places that we can take it, things that we can do and see, and not have to worry too much about, you know, the overhead costs of traveling, buying airfare, staying in hotel rooms, just all those things that kind of come with traveling. It's going to make it a lot easier to do with this. I'm really excited for the memories that we're going to make, the years we're going to have together visiting places in this. So really exciting day, and yeah, can't wait to see what happens. We are going to be doing a van build on this, so we're going to be converting it to a camper. It is not going to be like an amazing, you know, luxurious conversion. Mostly, we're not planning to live full-time out of this van. We're planning to use it for trips. So it will be nice, but it's not going to be like, you know, like those campers that you see at RV shows nice. But I am very much not skilled in converting vans, so this is going to be a very you know, trial by fire sort of a thing, and we'll take you along for the ride. I don't know that you want to look to me as the instruction manual for how to do this, but you know, you'll kind of get a chance to see how it goes and see if there's something maybe that you would want to consider somewhere down the line. But yeah, super exciting. We're going to take this process slow, and it'll be a few months of putting it together and getting it right, but we've already got some of the parts and pieces for it, and I'm excited to get started.